Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. Hope you all are good. In computer only one chapter will come, so please revise nicely. So for your studies I will help you. I am giving some questions here without any helping word. Okay? So please, I am trying to take each and every line from the book. Okay? So here I am giving the starting starting computer. Okay? So to the start computer. Here the answer is in computer. Follow the steps given below. So switch on the main power switch. Switch on the UPS. Switch on the CPU and switch on the monitor. This is the process, small process of how you will start the computer. Okay, computer desktop. The next is, here come to the shutdown. How you will do the shutdown? So after finishing your work, shut down the what? Shut down the computer. Click the start button. Here the start button icon on the bottom left corner of, here is the taskbar. The start menu appear. Click the shutdown button on the lower right corner of menu. The window show shutting down message on the screen. So here is the process. Switch off the monitor, switch off the UPS, then switch off the main power. Okay, switch off the main power. The next, you should switch off the main power. After that, switch off. You should always put dust cover on the system. Okay, it is safe your computer. It will not come dust and not looking bad. Now here fill in the blanks. Desktop is the first screen that appear after switching on the computer. So in the fill in the blanks you should write desktop. Icons are the small picture on the desktop. Icons. Answer. The start button is present on the bottom left corner of the screen. So third one is the start button. The fourth one come. Fourth one is, do not shut down the computer by disconnecting, means lose connection. Wires directly or switch off. Directly switch off is damage for the computer and very bad, lose connection also. Okay, do not shut down the computer by disconnecting wire directly or switching off the UPS. This may damage the computer. Okay, always sit straight on the chair in the front of computer system. It's good for your health. Even do not eat or drink in the computer room or where you're sitting in front of the electronic item especially. It's not good. Now come to the choose the correct. I told you I did not give any helping word. You should complete, but I am helping you here. Okay. The first screen that appear on the starting the computer is desktop. Second, the thin bar at the bottom of desktop is called taskbar. Third is, the small pictures on the desktop are called icon. The fourth one, you should always put cover on the computer. Then start button is present on the taskbar. The first screen appears here it will come that appear after switching on the computer desktop. The computer is desktop. The last one, you should shut down on the computer after doing work. It's compulsory. If you are shut downing your computer, the system is good. Now true and false. Come to the true and false. Tick the correct. See, UPS the central processing unit? No. Cross. You should not put dust cover on the computer. Cross. Small picture on the desktop are called icon. Tick. The start button, I told you before also, please put here double T, is present on at the bottom left corner, the start button. Tick. Then CPU is the central process unit. Correct. Okay. Here is the question answers. So name 3 things that you can see on the desktop. You will see 3 things like recycle bin, yani dustbin, my computer, and whatever documents you are saving, like your name with the name, that any documents. Okay. And next, clock. Sometimes clock is not in taskbar, it is coming in the screen desktop only. Name the screen that appear after switching on the computer. It is desktop. Okay. Name any one icon present on the desktop. My computer. Or recycle bin also, it is compulsory. It is there on the computer. So thank you so much. Please learn this through and go with the book special. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.